Now we have a very similar situation as we had last day. We have two very strong pullback candles, entry candles short at the end of the move. But I think this move is still not finished because we have the POC a little bit farther down. So this is the POC. And the question is, if these candles fail. My name is Carlos, and I'm the author of the book, What Professional Traders Really Use, Price Action, which contains my experience based on 12,000 hours analyzing and trading mainly stocks and futures in a professional way. If you want to see a free chapter, you have a link in the description below. We should check on the trend line. If there is a trend line here, this is still too close to the trend line. Maybe we need a little bit more space. We will get to the POC probably, and from there we could think of going long at some point. This is the POC, as you can see. So now we have a kind of trap. This is the first trap we see in this movement down. Let's see if this is enough. This is still not a signal candle. So let's wait. We have retested the trend line, but we have another trend line above. As I said last time, we had similar situation, but now we also have this other trend line, which is also on the way back up. Let's draw it like this because this is a flat pattern. We can remove this. This is also a very nice red pin bar. If this one fails, it could also create quite a strong move back up again. They're moving price down all the time, so there is no question about that. They want to get to the POC, and as soon as we get to the POC, the question is, we could find any signal for a reversal. Well, I don't need that anymore. This is the measure move. This is the measure move. I'm gonna put it like this. This is the measure move. Now we are almost at the POC right now. Exactly, POC is there. And let's see. I think we can remove this one. We are retesting actually the confluence level. We are retesting the trend line and grinding along the trend line back down. The downtrend is quite strong. It's a very, very strong downtrend. So all the move we had before has disappeared somehow. So which means, let's see what happens now. So for me, the movement is over. So we are at the POC. Now I could think of going long as soon as the measure move finishes. This measure move is this one. This one is the measure move. Now you can see there is quite a reaction. I'd like to see probably a trap. It would be great to see trap here. Let's see if we get there to the trap level. There's another trap level further down. Let's draw it and see how reaction is. Yes, okay. Now we have, this is the trend line. So we crossed the trend line quite easily, and this is the confluence level. Maybe we should look for 1, 2, 3. They are reacting. think we will get to the measure move. This is a confluence level. The measure move is here. We can draw it as well. Measure move is this one. POC is this level here. And
Order filled.
yes, okay. I think this is fine. Yes, exactly. Exactly. I think this is okay. So this is gonna work, I think. Yes, this is gonna work. It's quite strong, this move. Exactly. No?
Order filled.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to see. Very nice. It's a textbook trade. So let's see if there is another channel here. Quite a strong move. This is the volume. So maybe I get stopped out now. We'll see. It's still very strong. Still very strong. I think it's still okay, maybe to this level here. And now we have a range here. And we are inside the range. Let's see if we break through this range actually. And I could imagine this could go to this level here. Okay, let's see. So now we are in a V reversal. I don't want to move the point of entry +1. Maybe I get stopped out now, but I don't care. We're inside the range, so I think this could, if I get stopped out, maybe there is a trap or something like that. Yes, okay. I'm not going to move my stop loss. No, I'm not going to move it. So if you want, you can stop me out. No problem.
Order filled.
Yes, okay. No problem. So now we have this one. And we have this line here. We don't need this anymore. They stopped me out. But this is gonna move further down again, I think. We don't need so many lines. I have to remove some lines now in order to see a little bit better what's happening. So now retest of the swing low could be a possible option, which is actually here somewhere. Let's check on volume in this area here. So this is the POC now. So this is gonna be a resistance level. So I wanna protect at least, this one. Okay, I have to do that because, yes, I think this is gonna jump. Maybe I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna go break even. Yes, because could reverse at this level actually, but I think it's quite strong enough range. You see that? So it's a very strong move. But we're now at this level. I don't think they will exactly. Probably we will see a retest of the exponential moving average. You will see. But it was very nice. So I'm gonna do it like this, like this, like this. We are now the top of the flag, and this is probably going to move further up. Yes, we have now here a range, and if this is the range, it's probable to get also the oscillation around the range, which is this one, which is this level. I think this is very probable. Let's see if this works. So now we need to see a trap. They're probably going to move price down to the exponential moving average. This is a huge, yes, exactly. So now, perfect. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. So I can go like this. I don't think this is gonna move down now. The trap level. There is still no trap. Probably price is gonna move further up. I want to have my stop loss at the candle low of the swing low. Let's see, they can do that. Yes, but could work actually. Yes, I wanna sell. I wanna sell there. But I think they need a trap. This is not really a trap still. So we can remove some trend lines because they are not relevant anymore. Actually, now we are, as you see that, this is very interesting to see because we are now actually at this crossing point, confluence level point, and there is a green candle there showing strength down the uptrend, the upward direction. So I think this is gonna go to the top of the range at least, and we'll see. Sometimes it goes straight to the previous swing high, so could be a great run now. So this is now the trap level. So they're trying to push price up, and yes, it works. Probably we see now a retracement back down because of the range. Maybe price begins to oscillate in this interval, but there is no sign of weakness right now. The moment buyers are trying, and they are always Yes, being able to push price up. So let's see if this works now. Yes, it works. And now we will see some stop losses being triggered there, or we will see trap. But this is not a trap. A trap should be a red candle closing strong under the trap, under this level, which is the trap level. So now we wait. Okay, this could be quite a good thing because of this very strong momentum we had before. Sometimes we see huge runs made of half of the movement. So this is still not a trap. I think we have to wait for the trap level. Don't move your stop, just wait. Stop is there, is fine. And maybe this is also a kind of complex reversal. If they wanna do that here, they will do a complex reversal, but it's still quite strong, this trend. So they are not, they don't get to the exponential moving average. So there is always kind of distance between price and candles and the exponential moving average. Maybe we see now a retracement back down. I don't think this is going to be relevant. I would like to see price coming here, if not a little bit more than that. It's moving down. Yes, this is going to oscillate a little bit probably. But they should get the trap level at least. This one. I think so. They should get the trap level at least. Yes. Exactly. So now. Yes, exactly. So now we have 600 and this is gonna explode upward. So let's see what happens at this trap level. But I think this is a kind of range, and if this is a range, this is gonna rotate to the end of the oscillation, which is this level here. So let's see. And now we are at the trap level. So maybe there is a push. Let's see the order book and the time and sales. If we see this push, we would like to see. So exactly, that's what I want to see. Exactly. So let's go like this. So this is now the trap level actually. So we'll see if we can push price further up or not. Yeah, this is the trap level. So this is probably it. If it comes back down again, this is still a very strong push up. So let's see. They're gonna try once again. Yes, they're trying. And this is actually a slingshot reversal. And this is gonna really explode at this level. Should explode, yes. Losing momentum at the trap level, which is probably normal thing. Let's see what we can do. Oh. Exactly. Swing high probably we generated before or even higher. So let's see now what happens. We have to see a strong push. Yes, now. Yes, that's what I want to see. And I think this is gonna go like this. Gonna go like this. Exactly. So now we are at the top of the range. And in case price comes down, well, it's the way it is. I don't think so. But yes, exactly. Now there is the volume is very light here. So price is moving very fast. So this is a great trade, as you see. Yeah, I'm happy that I had my recorder on because in the meantime I was not so sure if I was if I wanted to record more patterns in this trading session. So now we have, you can see what happened. We saw a very strong push up. It was a kind of channel, and then there was a big reversal with a lot of retracements, and okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna go now. This is probably going to still not okay. So wow, it's crossing the measure move as well. So it's gonna go to the next POC probably. And I don't want to lose so much. I'm gonna go three candles. I'm gonna go three candles. So this is usually what works in these kind of trends. So yes, this is gonna break again. The top of the previous swing high is gonna break it. Yes, it's gonna break it. And now, yeah, we have a higher high here. So maybe, yeah, I leave it there. Don't care. If it comes back, comes back. If not, I don't care. So there's still some room for the movement. I think this could go to previous swing high. It'd be something like here, like something like that. Here somewhere. This could be the last. Could be the last target price. Let's see if we get this breakthrough, this breakout. If not, I'm gonna. Fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's moving quite fast now, right? Oh, look at this. This is crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, it's moving fast. So we'll see now. Oh, yeah, it be.
Order filled.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. This is probably still going to move up. But, well, I don't care. Very nice. So you probably saw that. Well, this trade is done. And yeah, it went all the way through this range to the other side of the range, to the other side of the range, which is if you take this distance to the range, This is the oscillation around the range, and this is the one of the target prices. This is something I also explain in my book, if you want to take a look at that. As you can see, it's still moving, so it's a pity because, yeah, okay, it's a pity. So we started the trading session with a very, very strong uptrend. Then this uptrend ended in a range, and there was some big pushes down to the POC, and they went right straight away to the POC, not straight away, but with a lot of retracements. And you could see that it was a strong downtrend because there were a lot of traps. Here is a trap. Here is a trap. This is not a trap, but this is a trap. This is almost a trap. And they got to the POC and the confluence level measure move as well of these two legs. This is a kind of two-legged pullback. And now we have the reversal, which is slingshot reversal, the so-called slingshot reversal. And well, it's a pity that I went out a little bit too early, but well, it's the way it is. So thank you very much.
If you want to see a free chapter, you have a link in the description below. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. See you in the next video, and thank you very much.
And don't forget to subscribe, please.